Today we are talking about how to apply false lashes without losing your mind. This is probably the #1 requested video I have, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to do it, but hi, we're doing it. False lashes can be a struggle, but they can also be like a huge finishing factor in a lot of glam looks. Like a glam look without lashes just is like, why? Like this right now, I look crazy. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the #1 secret to successfully applying false lashes. This is something that everyone misses, and when I tell them, it blows their mind. You guys are gonna thank me. Now in the comments, I want you to let me know if you guys wear falsies, what your experience is like. Do you struggle? Do you find it easy? Some people are just like naturals and have no issues. For me, I grew up wearing lashes dancing, and back, in 2007, no one wore false lashes because it was not cool. So I actually hated wearing them. Like I remember in college, we were supposed to wear them for our dance shows, but I wouldn't. I would just put on like a ton of mascara and think it was like the same thing, but it's not. And then I think come 2016, 15, lashes started becoming a bigger trend. So that's when I started being like, oh, I know how to do that. I can do that. And then I started wearing lashes, and that's how that happened. Then I got lash extensions for like a year, and when I had them removed, all my lashes were super short. I was super embarrassed of my lash length, which thank God I found the Volume Intense mascara with the lash serum built in. I'll link my review of that. Now I feel much more confident without wearing lashes, but there was about a year period where I always wore fake lashes because my lashes were so short from being damaged by lash extensions. Keep watching to see my #1 secret for how to apply false lashes. Okay, so I already have my eyeshadow look done, mostly. I didn't put eyeliner on because I suck. I already have my top lash line tight lined, which if you guys don't know what that is, I have a video on eyeliner coming out very soon, but basically it's just lining the waterline on the top. So for me, because I don't have a lot of lid space, I like to tight line for lashes instead of do like a liquid liner. You're gonna see a lot of different techniques out there, but that's just my personal approach. So let's go over the things you're gonna need for this video. 1, you're gonna need lashes. I have these faux mink ones from Amazon. I recommend that if you're first starting out, do not get $30 lashes because you're gonna need some practice. I will say I think lashes with a thicker band are easier to apply because you have more control over them. I find that the faux mink and the mink lashes are easier to apply. The mink ones are gonna run you more expensive, so faux mink is the way to go. You can get, things from Sally's or the drugstore. I get these from Amazon because I find that they're cheaper. These are a more glam lash, so they're gonna be a little bit more bold. There's lots of different lashes out there, you guys. Like there's so many. There's wispy, there's demi, there's double layered, there's long, there's short, like there's everything. There's bottom lashes. Okay, so there's a lot of options out there. I will link these in the comments for you guys. Obviously, I've already used all the other ones. You're gonna need scissors to trim your lashes with. These are little like pedicure scissors, I think they call them, manicure scissors. I don't know, they're at the drugstore. You're gonna need lash glue. This is the Duo Quick Set. This is my favorite glue. If you are new to lashes, do not get black lash glue. You will regret it. I don't even like black lash glue, and I do makeup for a living, okay? It's just not a great idea. And last but not least, and I think this is the step a lot of people forget, is mascara. You're gonna need mascara so that we can make your lashes blend in with the fake lashes. So first step, we're gonna do exactly what I just said. Grab your mascara, we're gonna apply. You really don't need like primer or anything with this because your natural lashes are not the focus. This doesn't have to be like a full-on mascara look. Like you just need to get your lashes coated. I do top and bottom because that's just what I do. Okay, so we're gonna trim our lashes here. The left lash is gonna be on the left, the right lash is gonna be on the right. Usually you can tell too, because one side's gonna be shorter, but it depends on the lashes. And you might notice that on the lashes, I don't know if you're even gonna be able to see this, honestly. Even if you have big eyes and you can use this whole lash, which like God bless you, but look at the ends. Do you see those little guys, those little white guys? So what that is that's the lash band. So we want to trim that. Even if you're gonna use the whole lash, you still need to trim that or else it's gonna poke you in the eye. But a lot of people don't ever use the whole lash because they're usually made a little bit too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this up to our eye and see if it fits. So mine are just a little tiny bit too long. So I'm gonna take my scissors and we're just gonna snippy right on the end. And the cool thing with the lashes is you can usually see like the bundles and like cut off just one little bundle of lashes. I'm gonna take off the white, you know, band on the inside corner there, and then we're gonna re-measure it. Okay, I think these are good now. So we're gonna apply. This is when you're gonna grab your glue. The reason I like the quick set glue is because it doesn't take as long for it to dry. We're gonna take the applicator and just do a super thin line on the band. This glue dries clear, so you don't have to worry about it getting on stuff. So look at that. Do not make the line too thick, you guys, you will regret it. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry a second. One of my biggest tips is gonna be bending it like this. And this gives a curve to it so that it's gonna lay against your natural eye better. Okay, are you guys ready for the #1 secret to applying fake lashes? You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. Take your mirror, your handheld mirror, you need a handheld mirror, and look down into it, okay? Because you're actually gonna be able to see the top of your eye without doing this and getting everything messed up. So you're gonna look down into your mirror and just set the lash down onto your lash line. Look how easy that was, y'all. So the next step is gonna be getting it close to your lash line. So it's already set down, and we're just gonna go and readjust the edges to get them closest to your lash line as possible. As the glue dries, it gets tacky, so that's how it's able to kind of stay without being totally set. So once you've given that a second to dry and set, you're gonna go in and we're gonna pinch these lashes towards our natural lashes. And I think that's the stuff a lot of people don't know about or they forget, and then you see like a huge gap between your lashes. And there you have a lash. How pretty is this style though? Like I really like this brand. It's just like straight up probably China made, you know? Let's throw the other one on. I'll probably speed this up so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. Now this is the point where some of you might decide to use tweezers. You could use tweezers to pick up the lash and reset it. I just use my hands because I like living on the edge. But say if you had like a really delicate eye look that you didn't want to mess up, then like tweezers is where it's at for that. Now everyone has a side that goes on easier and a side they struggle with. This is my struggle side. Let's do like an FAQ moment, okay? So a lot of people are like, how many times can I reuse lashes? Well, it depends on the quality of your lashes. Faux mink or mink, you can usually use, 20 times, 20 to 30. Ardell, like drugstore lashes, maybe 2. If you put mascara on after you put your lashes on, which you can do with cheap lashes, but I don't recommend doing that with expensive lashes, obviously because it ruins them. You probably are gonna use them like once. Now you should clean the band of your lashes with alcohol to remove the glue afterwards. But you don't want to get it on like where the lashes are adhered to the band, because then you're gonna ruin them. All right, y'all, that's how you apply fake lashes. I hope you found this tutorial super helpful. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions and I'll answer them for you. Our viewer of the week is, oh my gosh, what's up, girl? Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Thanks for leaving me some love in the comments, so you guys leave her some love. Give her a heart, give her a subscribe, give her a heart, give her a subscribe, all the things. To be my viewer of the week, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below, and then I give you a shout out in my video. Be sure to click on the video to your right to check out my last tutorial and click below to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.